Okay, for all you wind chill skeptics, here we go. Alright, my hand is currently 81 degrees, 82. I'm inside, I'm about to go outside and stand in still air and let the temperature of my hand reach equilibrium with the still air. And then I'm going to wave my hand around, basically simulating the effect of wind, and you'll see that my hand temperature will drop more. That's the effect of wind chill. So again, right now I'm still at about 83 degrees. I'm going to step outside and let my hand come to equilibrium here. And how I'm doing this is I got a temperature gun here, right here, and so there's the 83 degrees that my hand was before I stepped outside. And so I stepped outside and it's already dropped to about 78. Yeah, there's no wind. There's no wind right now. It's probably going to take about 5 minutes or so for it to reach equilibrium. Down to 74. So I'll just hang out here for a little bit on a nice crisp day. $71, so still dropping. $70, starting to stabilize a little bit. Alright, 69, that's where it was just a second ago. Still at 70. Still at 70, so we're going to give it another minute, and if it's still at 70, we're going to call that equilibrium, and then that's the amount of heat loss I'm getting in still air. Oh, drop a little more, it's about 68 now. I did just get a little bit of a gust though, that might have been contributing to that. $66. $67. Again, we're pretty stable. 67. 68. So we're going to call that stable at 68. 68. 68. Okay, so I'm going to waft my hand around for just a little bit and we're going to measure the temperature and see how low it goes. Right, literally I'm just taking my hand back and forth, simulating as if it was wind. You know, it's basically just a simulation as if the wind was moving past my hand even faster. Okay, good. Let's go ahead and take a quick temperature reading. 55. 59. 62 it jumped up to. Okay. 56. I'll wave my hand a little bit more. See if I can get up sub 50. 52. 52. So waving my hand around dropped it. Oh, now there we go. 48. 48 degrees. Waft it around a little bit more. Starting to get pretty cold. Yep. Back up to about 57. So we dropped about 10 degrees just by wafting my hand around. Now I'm gonna stand out here for another minute without it. Without shaking my hand, and my temperature of my hand's going to go back up. And it should go up to about 60. It's already back up to about 59 by not wafting my hands around. 60. 62. Can read that. 64. I think it's coming in backwards for you. Yeah, looks like it's backwards to you. 62. Well, my hand's pretty much frozen right now. 63. It's warming back up, but it's still pretty dang cold out here. So, oh, there we go, 64. 65. Now without wafting my hands around, it gets that back up to about 65. So there you go, wind chill is real. I'm cold, I'm going back inside.